Welcome to DD Garden TV. In this video, we will see why eggplants get bitter and what we can do to prevent it. It can be bitter due to the anthocyanin compound contained in the meat of eggplant. As eggplants grow older, they accumulate this compound more in the fruit, causing them to become bitter. Eggplant fruits have the property of accumulating poisonous glycosides. This situation causes bitterness in the fruits at the growth stage according to the variety, even if there is no problem at all. Therefore, you should know the characteristics of the variety you are growing. The ripeness of eggplant is completed approximately 40 to no more than 50 days after fruit set. In ripe fruits, there is no stretching when pressed. The color of the berries is dirty dark, but not bronze. The most important thing so that the eggplant is not bitter is to be able to harvest at the right time and consume the eggplant plucked from the branch in a very short time. Old eggplants, or those that remain outside for a while after harvesting, are more bitter than young and fresh ones. Therefore, when growing eggplants yourself, they are less likely to be bitter, as long as you harvest the eggplants at the right time and consume them immediately after picking them. The bitter fruit is caused by plant stress, followed by slow growth, stimulated by hot and dry weather. In order not to stress the plant, first of all, do not plant it in cold soil, water correctly, fertilize correctly. If you can take precautions to protect it from the cold, try to take it. The differences between day and night stress eggplant. Watering eggplants is of great importance. Insufficient watering or excessive moisture leads to the accumulation of bitterness in eggplants. Eggplants love fertilizer very much, so they should be given more fertilizer than other vegetables, but overdoing it can also cause bitterness. Do not over-fertilize. After the first fruits begin to appear on the plants, watering should not be neglected after each collection to give water at certain intervals according to the condition of the plant and especially after entering the harvest period. Watering should be done in such a way that the bottom remains moist, but there is no ponding. Otherwise, development will slow down, the crop will decrease, and bitterness in the fruits will begin. Poor quality eggplant fruit is often associated with conditions of low humidity and high temperatures. In addition, the ripe eggplant fruit will acquire a dull color and will often acquire a bronze appearance. In order to be able to make maximum production, avoid bitterness and allow other fruits to develop, harvest eggplant fruits before they are fully ripe. If there is an old fruit on the eggplant fruit, it will not bloom new or even turn the blooming flowers into fruit. In addition to this shedding being fertilization, eggplant also happens because it knows that it cannot develop much fruit. When choosing eggplants from the market, too, it's all about visual cues. If an eggplant is soft or its skin is pitted with a little pressure, do not take it. Ripe eggplants at the peak of perfection have a bright and top possess, and they are firm. See you in another videos. We wish everyone beautiful gardens.